This is chef. Thank you, chef.
肚子饿
Okay, can you say something? Why do you like cooking?
because I like food.
That's a
you
good
need
reason.
food. You need when you want food, you need to cook.
Okay, how long have you been cooking?
Since 1 year. Since you were born.
Honestly, like starting to cook like 4 years or something.
4 years ago?
Like I don't know. Like, don't you cook at home?
I mean, my dad cooks. I don't know how to cook. So you cook by yourself most of the time?
Yeah. Honestly, cooking by yourself is easier because you have all the space.
What? So we need to back up?
No,
Okay,
no,
I'm
it's
sorry.
fine.
I'm sorry. Okay. Sous chef,
Yes.
how long have you been cooking?
About 30 minutes from.
No, seriously. No, seriously.
I officially retired. I don't know. Like,
Okay, like as a hobby or no?
not really.
What do you mean,
Like,
not really? Just you
it's
cook.
I always have food at home.
Oh.
So I only cook when I don't have food at home.
Okay.
Like fried rice.
Oh,
That's
fried
it.
rice. Okay, another sous chef. How long have you been cooking?
Not long, because we always eat out when we're in Taiwan.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, same.
Oh, it's
Most of the
Malaysia,
time.
It's cheap.
Yeah.
Yeah. If you do it here, like, you'd
Yeah.
be so
He-
broke. If
he's
you
the
eat out.
only European here. Sorry, man.
You'd be so broke here if you eat out every day.
Yeah, I can tell.
I learned how to cook when it's COVID, when it's
Oh.
lockdown.
Yeah, that's why.
So I can cook a bit.
Okay, good. Thank you, sous chef.
Last week. I should have done it in 2 batches. It's never gonna cook.
Yes.
Yeah, I should have done 2 batches.
Okay, so what is this? What is this? What's the name of the dish?
Chicken.
No way.
Just chicken.
With the sauce, it must have a
Sauce. It's just
name. Chicken and sauce, okay.
a combination of random things I tried.
Stephen Ramsay. Stephen Ramsay.
In fact, I
Cook-
should have done 2 batches.
Cook random dish.
Okay.
Side dish.
I need the second pan so I can cook the veggies.
When is he coming?
You said a few minutes ago, I'll go in a few minutes.
So maybe now.
Yeah. And someone said.
Balsam! No.
Someone said.
你要 pre-cook 啊？
No, I'm just soaking in cold water. Removes the starch.
Yay, balsam! Hello.
Bye.
What do you brought?
Wow, it looks so good.
What's that? What's that?
Cocoa bean.
Cocoa bean? What's that?
French food.
It looks so good.
French food?
Traditional French food.
Oh, really? Wow. Okay, hey, wait. Show me again. Whoa.
Master chef.
Numéro 2. Numéro 2 chef.
so cold
Balsam Kim.
I don't have hands, so it's too hard.
Okay.
I opened up.
魔术棒啊 What's that? Magician? Oh, umbrella? 뭐? Flag? Ah! You said it's like Jensen's flag or something. PSG, right? What are you gonna contribute today?
Wash the dishes.
Okay, good. Today, Balsam and Stefan cook.
Yeah. I thought it's a small one.
Chicken.
What's that?
Now,
Oh, Paris!
the vegetables are in there.
bringing this to Paris.
And also Balsam's dish.
This smells so good.
So good, yeah.
Diet. Veggies.
Go under maybe, but what shall I see? I already know.
So now, vegetable goes in.
I don't know if it's enough. So.
No. Oh my god. looks so good. Yeah.
This is also already?
Yeah.
Yay.
Get all the plates full.
What's this?
I don't know.
Does it
Chicken.
have a name?
Chicken and vegetables.
Chicken a la Stefan.
Stefan. And this? Chicken a la Bobo.
Chicken a la Bob.
Riz blanc.
Riz blanc
Riz parfum.
a la Jason.
Right now, Stefan's making Korean 海鲜煎饼. I don't know how to say. Seafood pancake. So now it's just flour, salt, and water. You can tell what is this. I don't have to explain. This, yeah. Later there will be kimchi and crab and shrimp.
And what?
Shrimp. Ready? Go, go, go. Try.
I'm scared! What are you making, chef? What are you making, chef? What is this, chef? What are we?